Hello fellow Tundra owners. I just wanted to show a video here about an issue I had with my 2016 SR5 Crew Max. I had a clanking going on, and I'll put a video clip into the sound effect. Now I have aftermarket coilovers, OME 614s, so they're full coilovers, no spacers. And it sounded like every time I turned into a driveway or whatnot that this was making the noise. But actually it turns out that it was this top strut mount, and the bottom bushing had busted off or rotted away from the heat and gotten cracked. So it's quite the process getting this coilover out. But I already did the other side, replace it, but I figured might as well do this side, because if the other one's broken, then this one's probably gonna be broken soon too. So I'm gonna get it apart and take a look at it, and I'll try to snap some other pictures and also show the spring compressor that you can rent at AutoZone as well to compress that spring and get that top cap off. You use the factory OEM top caps, or there's aftermarket ones you can get at AutoZone for about 30 bucks. So I'm gonna get to it and I'll continue from here. So here's the compressor tool with the strut in there, and you can see that it's pretty bent and there's a lot of pressure on there, so that's why everyone says these are so dangerous. So I'm still alive, and we got to finish this thing. All right, so we've got the coilover back on with the new top pad on there, and even though I didn't think this one was broken, when I got it apart, it was. So the bushing goes right in here, and it was completely gone just from the heat and getting dry cracked. And then the top one, you can see it was pretty worn too, but it was there. So that whole part's been replaced. If you need to know what part it is, it's KYB SM5737.